What a beautiful day today. I hope you're already out running or working out your normal exercise. Good morning. And here we go. We are going to be running with Robina here in Finsbury Park. It's such a beautiful park and there are so many people working out. I just love it. So are you ready to work out? Okay, let's go. I'm going to show you something. If you can't run that, you can do. And all you do is to do your legs like this and then I love it. And then when you get tired, you go back on doing this. Put your legs far, very far, and then this one puts your heart rate up. It's really good. And then you continue with your see, it's really good. My heart rate is already going up. Come on, go for it. You can do it. If I can, you can do it. And then you jump again. Before you know, by the end of this year or next time around this year, you would have trimmed down. Okay, let's go again. Okay, now we are going for a jog. We are going for a jog. You can do that. Then after that you can run, like I'm going to be running. It's really good. If you can't run fast, at least go for a jog. You can do it. It's really good and fun.
Good.
Good, thank you. You see, many people are walking, they are running. You can also do it. The grace is there. You can ask God to give you the grace. He will give it to you. And by the way, because we are working out, it doesn't mean we have a lot of time on our hands. We just create it. Some people think we don't work. We are just in the gym. Darling, we just decide to set our priorities right. We decide to work out. I have a family. I'm married. I have my children. They are big guys and one girl. And I also work for my church. I preach the gospel. I'm a multitasking woman. I just decide to set my priorities right. I try. It's not easy. Balancing life is not easy, but you just have to try to work hard or to set your time right. You also have time, darling. That time you sit there watching TV. If you can get just 10 minutes and go out in the park and run, it will help you. Health is wealth. You either decide to work out and eat healthy, or you end up in the hospital. I'm not prophesying doom, but that's the reality. That's the truth. Our bodies were created to move around, to jump, to dance. So if you can't do that, then something is wrong. You really have to work on your tempo. So we create time. We just have to create time. We are not just there, people who have nothing to do, running around. We are very busy women. I preach around the world. I cook for my family. And then I go for a jog. It's very, very good. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I encourage you to eat a lot of protein, veggies, yes. And work hard, exercise. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Remember to work out. Health is wealth. Keep in touch. Watch our videos on Keep Fit page. There are so many, and you will learn so many things. You learn how to work on your abs, your legs, your arms. God bless you and take care. Thanks, Robina, for recording.